What's your favorite meal to cook?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Hello guys, welcome back. My name is Marcos. Now, if you're watching this clip for the first time, please remember to subscribe, remember to comment, remember to share. Now, people have been trying to copy Jamaican culture and how Jamaicans speak their language. So I'm gonna show you some in this video. Please watch the video till the end, and I'll be back with more views.
Man. them gonna push and bring me back a goat. Now cook it up.
Wagwan.
Wagwan.
What you dep on?
Mulabadom.
No, what you dep on?
I can't say that.
Can you say Medea?
Nadea.
Yeah. Can you say uno bad man?
Ulabadman.
Yeah, okay. That's it for today.
Where you come from?
Me come from Jamaica.
What a boom bakla jadok liku giala.
Ima me brother.
Me glad to meet you.
Me glad for meet you too. What you make for dinner?
Me no know what to make.
Me hungry.
So me I just go boil some green banana.
But that don't go together.
Who says so?
You want for me help?
Nasa, sit down and rest. Boom bak.
Okay, so my uncle's gonna teach me how to speak Patois.
All right. Will you go over there so you know, yeah, man?
You might go over there and say, no, man.
All right. That sounds good.
That sound good? Thank you. What's the next word?
All right. We are go too fast with the first one, so we will try the second one. Right now, man, we are go down, so you know, see, we are go down there, so you know, see, so.
That's too hard. That was
Jamaican Patois, the language spoken in Jamaica. What are you doing here? What you do, ya? It is mine. After me. Where are you going? Where you go? Why did you call me? What you call me for? Come back here. Come back here, so. Look here. Look here. See me here. See me here. Look at this. Look upon this. My mother. Me mother. My father. Me father. My grandfather. Me grandpa. My girlfriend. Me girlfriend. It is my child. I'm a picnic. The children, they picnic them. He got himself dirty. Him nasty up himself. What a pretty girl. Oh, what?
Jamaican greetings.
Wagwan. How you do? You good? Bless up. What you going with?
Jamaican goodbyes.
Me a cut. More time, see? We link you. Outer road. Me and you will talk. See? Yeah, me and you will chat later.
How do you call your friends in Jamaican?
Yo! Link up! Linkage!
A new version of the Bible was unveiled today, a Jamaican version. The King James Bible has been translated into Jamaican Patois. The Bible Society of the West Indies believes it'll make the Bible more relevant to the people around the world who speak Jamaican Patois. This is the latest translation of the New Testament. It's the Jamaican New Testament.
Our Father, which art in heaven, hallowed be thy name.
We Father, we in heaven. Make people have enough respect for you and your name.
On each page, the King James Version, and opposite, the Jamaican Patois.
Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our debts as we forgive our debtors.
Today, give we the food where we need. Pardon we for all the wrong where we do. See them like how we pardon them we do we wrong.
It's been a 20-year project by Reverend Courtney Stewart of the Bible Society of the West Indies to have it translated. He's in Birmingham this weekend, speaking to the city's large West Indian population.
It's critical that we translate the Bible into our native language, Jamaican Patois, Jamaican Creole, because the scriptures make their greatest impact on people when they have it in their mother tongue.
Sometimes what I have to do is look at the English and then look at the written pattern, and then I go, oh, that's how you pronounce it.
It's not the easiest thing in the world to read, and there's a good reason for that. You see, it's an oral language and has been. So for the vast majority of us, it would be quite difficult for us to read because we have never been taught how to read it. So what this translation is going to do is help us to learn to read our own mother tongue.
Later this year, there'll be an app so people can hear and read the patois. Right, there's more of that on our website, itv.com/central. You can compare an English and Jamaican patois version of the same Bible text.
Good afternoon from beautiful rural Portland, Jamaica. May want to introduce myself today because, you know, nothing wrong. Somebody comment on me post that me is a sex tourist, and me just really want to address that. Me understand the stereotype, me see where it comes from, because me see so many women and men, but mostly me see women to come to Jamaica just for use the young boy them, and me not like them something there. Me never like that. So me really learn about Jamaica through the music of Patois, Bob Marley, the Wailers back in the day. In fact, me was at the last concert Bob Marley ever gave in Toronto, Maple Leaf Gardens, before him dead. And really, me could say that reggae music really brought Jamaica to the world. For so many of us, me grew up in Canada, Northern Canada. Me was a teacher, and me come to Jamaica in my 20s and taught school here in Port Antonio, Portland, at Titchfield High School. Me teach art and English. And we still have contact with some of my former students, and even former students who became teachers. Wonderful experience that changed my life. So me always say, when me retire, sorry, my dogs are bark now. We have 4 dogs, them. We love dog. That's another video. Anyway, me always loved Jamaica for so many years. From what, 1983, me start coming to Jamaica, over 40 years now. Me live at Jamaica, taught school, and retire, became a resident of Jamaica 5 years ago. So 2018, me actually sell everything in Canada and move to Jamaica for me retirement. And me just love the life. Me have a Jamaican husband down here. We get along great. Him not really want to live in Canada. We just love our life here. And me, now that me is in my late 60s, me want to make a difference. Me love the culture. Me want to make people all over the world know how beautiful Jamaica is, the culture, the people. And me want to leave a legacy, you know, to really make people understand Patois is a beautiful language, nothing to be ashamed of. To have dark skin is beautiful, nothing to be ashamed of, you know. Me have already raised 3 mixed race children. Them father, me 2 sons, them have a father who's Jamaican, and my daughter's father is from Ghana. So through raising me children, me pick me a Canada, there's a whole heap of racism there, and my art breaks over that. And in Jamaica, there's classism and colorism, so there is a kind of racism here too. And we really see it, and we feel it for the people them, and we want to express them something there, and we want the people who come visit to know how to behave and how to respect the Jamaican people them, and not just use the black bodies for your sexual enjoyment or whatever. That is very disgusting. And me not support them something there at all. Me just want people to do, you know, like as the Rastafari say, like love and respect. There's nothing wrong with getting to know one another and so on, but just have some respect, you know. Me not a grandmother yet, but me could easily be a grandmother to a lot of these boys who try to talk to me in the street, and me just tell them, say, look now, you not talk to your granny like that, so not talk to me. Call me auntie. If you call me auntie or mama, it feel nice, you know. It's like a little respect. Me not really me not want any of that other kind of attention at all. No, sir. So, me really start this TikTok if we try to preserve one property called Folly Estate. Is a 8-acre property right on the sea in Port Antonio, and it connected to the Folly ruins. Right in the backyard is Folly ruins. So me will give you some more video about that next time. But right now, me I tell you say that me start the TikTok to try to get out the information to people, to Jamaican people, that they must sell off your country, you know, they must sell off all the beach them, the river them, the nice properties. And Folly Estate Cottage, it's a historic building that still exists, it's still standing, and that property should become a museum for the people of Jamaica and the world and Portland. It shouldn't sell off or give to them politicians' friends and so on and so forth. So that my purpose to start the TikTok, and me say at 2024 me going to learn Patois proper. So me apologize if me not get the words right, but me I try as respect, man, total respect for Jamaican language, Jamaican people, Jamaican culture. Blessed.
Hello guys, I hope you watched that video till the end. Now, many people around the world have been trying to copy the Jamaican way of life. Now, they have been trying to copy the Jamaican culture, how the Jamaican people speak. I know most of you have been listening to reggae music, to dancehall music, the type of language that they use. I know you've been wondering what's the name of that English, that type of English. So thanks to me, you now know it's called the Jamaican Patois. It's a common language used in reggae music and dancehall. And most of the people from there, they speak that language. Now, you've heard the story of that woman. She's from Canada. While in Canada, she was listening to reggae music. She loved reggae music. So she went to live in Jamaica. In Jamaica, she was teaching. She was a teacher. So she was teaching in Jamaica. She became a resident of Jamaica. So she's speaking of how she lost the Jamaican Patois and how she started listening to the Jamaican Patois while she was still in Canada. Now, around the world, people have been listening to the Jamaican Patois and wondering, how do they come up with that? Now, even here in Kenya, we have our own Vibes Cartel. This guy is so good. I don't know how he managed to learn that language, but he's so good. He can speak like Vibes Cartel. He knows the Jamaican Patois very well while here in Kenya. So I don't know how he learned that. Even the Ugandans have their Vibes Cartel. I remember they went online trying to see who can do the Jamaican Patois well. So the Ugandans Vibes Cartel and the Kenyan Vibes Cartel, they were trying to do a kind of a dare thing. So the Ugandans Vibes Cartel thought that maybe they are better than our Kenyan Vibes Cartel because they can really sing like him. They can really speak the Jamaican Patois. They were so good. I wish I could share their videos here, but I don't know if they can allow me. But trust me, guys, if you listen to these guys, you might think they live they stay in Jamaica because they are so good. So Jamaican Patois has been a common language. Many people are trying to copy it, talk it. Most part of the country, they are doing the Jamaican Patois. Even I heard the US Vice President, Kamala Harris, I heard she has the roots from Jamaica, so she also loves talking the Jamaican Patois. The Jamaicans love her so much, even though she did not make it to be the president, but at least she tried. So Jamaican Patois has been a common language. I love that language. I hope someday I'll be there. I'll come to Jamaica and hope you guys will teach me the Jamaican Patois because it's a good language. I started hearing the Jamaican Patois in reggae music, the dancehall music. So in fact, I did not even know it's called Jamaican Patois. And even thanks to the publishers, they now have a Bible, the Jamaican Patois version Bible. So now the people can now read it very easily. They can now use the Bible very easily because it has been translated to Jamaican Patois from the English version now to Jamaican Patois. Hopefully I'll be getting my copy soon. Now, Jamaican way of style has been something everyone wants to try. Their food, you've seen people love the Jamaican food, Jamaican culture. We have Rastafarians here in Kenya. We have seen Rastafarians around the world. We know mostly it's a Jamaican thing, so people are really, really into Jamaican lifestyle. So I don't know if you guys, I don't know what you guys can say about the Jamaican Patois. I don't know if some of you have tried talking the Jamaican Patois. Let me see some of your comments in the comment section. What do you think about the Jamaican Patois? Have you encountered it? Have you tried? Is it a language that you can try? Let's interact in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe, remember to comment, remember to share. Until the next video, one love.